Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. In my previous video, we have done the topic of addition, that was addend and sum. I hope you all must have completed exercise 2.2. Today we are going to start with a new topic of addition, how to make addition easier for our calculation. Okay? Students, today we will understand to make the addition easy from some of the numbers which we can do easy addition. Okay, so let's start. Adding 0. When we add, 0 is added to any number, then the sum will be the number itself. Means if we add any number to 0, the sum will be the number itself. Let's look into the example. If it is 28 plus 0, so it will be 28. 437 plus 0, it will be 437. Or any number you take, if you add 0 to it, the sum will be, the answer will be the number itself. Okay. Now next is adding numbers that end in 0, जिनके last में 0 आता है. So let us see example. If we want to add 300 and 100. In both the numbers, both sides there are 0 at the end. 2 zeros are there in 300 also and 2 zeros are there in 100 also. So what we will do? We will add 3 and 1. So add 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So then we will write 2 zeros thereafter. So what it will become? 404, which comes from here, and we will add 2 zeros thereafter because there were 2 zeros. We can take one more example. If the number is 7000 plus 2000. Okay. Now in the end, what numbers can you see? 3 zeros are there. So we will put 3 zeros. And then we have to add 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. So 7 in my mind and 2 fingers up. We will count forward. After 7, 8, 9. So wasn't it easy? It becomes 9000. Clear? The next is adding 10. When we add 10 to any number, what happens? The value of digit in the tens place increases by 1. जो भी tens place की जो भी digit होगी वो 1 से increase हो जाएगी. Okay? For example, 48 plus 10. Now, this is ones and this is tens. Right? So, what we will do here? This will increase. This digit will increase. 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0 will remain 8, and this number will increase by 1. So this becomes 58. Next is 273 plus 10. So these we will put it into place value. 100, tens and ones. What is the digit in the 100 place? In the tens place? It's 7. Right? So we have to increase it by 1. So after 7, what comes? If we increase by 1, it comes 8. So this will become, rest of the digits will remain same. 2 and 3 will remain same. And if we increase this, so this becomes 283. Let us look into one more example. Suppose the number is 3152. 1000, 100, tens and ones. Here, what is the digit in the tens place? It's 5. So, rest of the digits we will write like that only. And if we add 1 to 5, 1 add करें अगर हम 5 में, so what will it will become? 6. So, this will be 3162. Okay. Now suppose we have to add 100 then what will happen? When 100 is added to any number, the value of digit in the hundreds place will increase by 1. Okay, now in the 100 place it will increase by 1. Okay, rest of the digits will remain same. Okay, so let us see this example. 617 plus 100. So first we will put it into place value, 100, tens and ones. Here which digit is in the 100 place? 6. So we will increase 6 by 1. That becomes 7 and rest of the digits remain same. So this becomes 717. Now next, 5439 plus 100. Again we will put it into place value, 1000, 100, tens and ones. So which digit is there in the 100 place? 4. Rest of the digits will remain same. 5 will remain same in the 1000 place. In the 100 place we have to add 1. So after 4 what comes? 5. So here it comes 5. Then 3 and 9 will also remain same. It becomes 5539. Right? Let us look into adding 1000 now. When 1000 is added to a number, the value of digit in the 1000 place increases by 1. Earlier it was in the 100 place, now it is in the 1000 place. Okay? So let us look into example. Suppose the number is 4327 and we have to add 1000 to it. So what is the first step? We have to put in the place value, 1000, 100, tens and ones. Now 1000 we have to add. So we have to increase the value of 1000 by 1. So what is the value? What is the digit in the 1000 place? It's 4. So 4, what comes after 4? If we add plus 1, it comes 5. Rest of the digits will remain same. 5327. Let us look into one more example. 2896. Again we will put it into place value, great, tens and ones, and this has, in this 1000 needs to be added. So this will become, what comes after 2? 3. So 3000, rest of the digits will remain same, 896. Clear? Now the next topic is to estimating the sum. Estimating sum means to give the approximate value without actually calculating it. Like you remember, we have done in chapter 1, we have rounded off. So it is the estimating the sum. We have to give the approximate value of the numbers which we have to add, and then what approximately sum will be there. It is like guessing the answer of the estimated value. Okay, so let us look into an example. Here it says add 234 plus 185. So it says, will it be less than 400 or more than 400? So to give the estimate for that, what we will do first? The step 1 is here 200 and here we will take 100. So 200 plus 100, I told you, if there are zeros in the end, so we will put 2 zeros, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Now the next step is to see whether 234 is greater than 200. Yes, it is greater than 200. And 185, is it greater than 200? No, it is less than 200. So what we will do next is to sum 234 plus 185, and if this sum or this sum is greater than, तो ये बड़ा होगा या ये बड़ा होगा? Obviously we know this will be greater. So this was 300, so this will be more than 400. Okay, now let us do the actual calculation. 4 plus 5 is 4 in my mind, 5 finger up, count forward. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 8, 3 in my mind and 8 fingers up. After 3 we will count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it comes 11. 1 we will put here and 1 we will put as carry. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So this becomes 419. Now 419 is more than 400. Okay. Our next topic is missing addends. Missing addends, I told you what are addends. We have used this term earlier also. Addends are the numbers which we add. Okay. And what is the sum? The answer of addition operation. Okay. We did it in an earlier video also. Right. So let us look into this example. Example, we have to add 600 plus 900. Now, there is one blank here and we have to put the addend that what we will plus to 600 and it will come to 900. Now, first of all, what we will see here, that both the addend and the sum have 2 zeros in the end. Here also and here also. So, even the missing addend will have 0 in the end. Now here it is 6. So what we will do? We will count forward till 9. How many numbers are there? After 6 what number comes? 7, 8 and 9. Till 9 we have to count. So there are 3. So what will come here? It will be 3. Now we have put 3 here. Let us take one more example. Suppose the number is 50 plus blank is there and here it is 80. Okay. Now both side in the addend and in the sum also there is 1 0. So we will put 1 0. And for this we will calculate after 5 till 8. After 5 which number comes? 6, 7, 8. So what we will write here? 30. Clear? Students, I hope you all must have understood the topics we have discussed today. On the basis of these topics, you have to do exercise 2.3 on page number 36 and 37. Okay, so bye bye and take care of yourself.